at Charisma Readers Circle Time, it's 5th Monday special. We'll be singing a Father's Day song called Hero, Hero, My Dad's My Superhero, and do a Father's Day craft wallet. Let's sing Hero, Hero, My Dad's My Superhero. I'm going to show you how you can do a Father's Day craft at home. I have a brown sheet of paper here. I'm going to fold it into half. I'm going to open it. I'm going to bend this just a little bit. And put glue just on this half of it, not here, just over here. Same for this side. I'm going to put glue here. On this side. And glue it together. Like that. I'm going to fold it into half like that. Now I'm going to put stitch marks here. Back as well. So I have 4 squares here. Now I'm going to take one. I'm going to fold it into half. Okay, and have it there. I'm going to fold this one. Fold it all around. I'm going to put glue on these sides starting from this point. Okay, not to the top. Here, here, and here. Now put this right on top. So like that. So there's a pocket. Now take this one and do the same thing here. Remember, not on the top there. Same thing for this one. Okay, this one, I'm just gonna glue it down. Glue it like that. Now I'm going to flip it and glue these sides. Now I'm going to put glue all over here. And take this and put it right over here. Here I have a rectangle. I'm going to fold it so there's space on the top, just like that. And put glue only on these sides. Here I'm going to cut the corners. And fold it. I'm going to flip it and put glue. I have another rectangle. I'm going to fold it into half, like that. And draw a rectangle, just like that, so I can cut it out. Here's the folded edge, so I'm going to cut this out. So it'll give a frame like this. I'm going to take a plastic bag, cut a rectangle smaller than the black rectangle. The plastic rectangle should not be smaller than the inner rectangle we cut. Okay. My daughter drew this picture, but you can put your own picture here. Okay, so place the picture first and then the plastic. Put glue on the frame and glue this right over. I have a rectangle for the money. I'm going to put a dollar sign here. You can put whatever symbol for your money. Some XO for hugs and kisses. I'm going to write priceless here. And here. And put a rectangle starting from there. Just leaving those out. Usually money has someone's face on it, so I'm going to draw a happy face. Okay. I have 2 by 3 cards here. My daughter wrote Happy Father's Day, Superhero, and number 1 Dad. You can write whatever messages you want to write. And they can go in here. Now I have here 2 by 12 rectangle. I'm going to fold it. I'm going to glue the sides. Now I'm going to put glue on this. Just leaving this part out. Okay. I'm going to take this and glue it right there in the middle. Okay. I'm going to fold and glue the corners just like that, and fold it like that. I have a black strip here. I'm going to fold it and make it thin. So I'm going to put glue on this side, this side. I have a small strip of brown here. I'm going to glue. Right in the middle, right there. I'm going to write Daddy here. I'm going to draw a heart. Cut it out. And put it right there, showing like that. And put the money in here. And close it. You can give it to your dad just like that, and when he opens, he will have little surprises waiting for him. Heart. Happy Father's Day. Number 1 Dad. Superhero. Your dad can display it like that, like a photo stand. Now I'm going to put it in my craft book. It's a Father's Day craft.
New videos are posted every Monday on Charisma Reader's Circle Time. Please subscribe to follow all of them in the right sequence.